What's up guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. My name is Ansar, and today we're going to be working on putting together an engine hoist to get this motor out of the Audi. We ended up taking the oil pan off. We saw some metal in there, so we decided to pull the whole motor out. And what we did is went to Harbor Freight and picked up their 1-ton engine hoist setup. When you go there, it comes in 2 boxes. This was the last one they had on the shelf, so the boxes are pretty beat up, but I'm hoping that everything's inside of it. They put a little bit of bubble wrap, but I mean, I don't see this really cushioning anything. Maybe it'll stop it from marring each of the parts up. Hopefully no one opened this one before. The other thing we're hoping for is that all the parts are in it, or else we're going to be taking this back. Oh, here's the second box. Oh, we got some instructions. That's always helpful. There we go. Heavy duty 1-ton folding shop crane. Awesome. All right guys, let me set the camera up and let's do a time lapse of how long this will take for us to put together. All right guys, before we start, let me just show you what it looks like out of the box. Everything's out. These are all the parts all laid out. There's the hydraulic ram, the casters. I guess that's the main beam part. And here's all the hardware that came with it. The hardware was nicely wrapped in a plastic and it was in a separate box, so that's good. So it's more likely that everything's here. Alright, let's get started and put this thing together. What's up guys, we finally got the shop crane together. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we got it done. As you can see, looks pretty good. I think it'll definitely do what we needed to do. On the side it shows you the different points for how much weight it can lift: quarter ton, half ton, 3/4, 1 ton max. Also, there's your max height capacity. Let's see it. There's a couple of things that I would probably have to address before we actually use it. One of them is right in the middle where the ram connects to the top of the hoist. There's like a decent amount of gap, and it can move around in there. I don't know if it's meant to move around a little just to help, but I'm thinking about putting like 2 little bushings. I mean, give it a little bit of play, but take away a lot of that slop. Also, in the instructions, the bolts that you're supposed to use are a little confusing because they're not clearly marked on the bolt. There is a little diagram showing what length they're supposed to be, but I feel like this bolt right here is too long, and you would think that would be one of these what do you call this, Al?
Pins?
These pins instead, so that you can move it easily instead of unbolting it. I mean, but I could be wrong. Guys, so here is the engine hoist folded up. As you can see, it doesn't take up too much space. And to put it back down to use, you just have to pull these pins at the bottom. Fold it down. And then you put the pin back in.
You gotta go down lower.
It's a little bit of an angle, so
yeah.
Well, you get the idea. If there's an angle, you got to make sure it's on a flat ground, or else it's gonna give you a hard time to go through. Alright. And then put your bar, you tighten up the hydraulic ram, and it goes. And it goes up pretty well. It's not super fast, but you want some flexibility so that you don't have to go up too fast. Alright guys, so we're going to try it out. We still need to take apart some connections on the motor of the Audi, and then we're going to hook this up and see if we can pull it out of the actual top of the motor, or top of the hood, instead of pulling the whole front off. We're going to see if it's possible to get it out that way, and then I'll get back to you guys and see how well this Pittsburgh Harbor Freight hoist works. Alright guys, until next time, remember to follow me on Instagram at Project Z Garage, and we'll see you the next time. Keep riching, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.